Hey guys, Blaine here from For Dummies, and we're learning Python today. This will be episode 1, and it'll be Hello World and setting up your Python. So, if you go to python.org, there'll be a link to this in the description, and an annotation in the top left-hand corner with Python, like this, in it. Actually, there'll be an annotation over that. So, if we go to download, takes us to a download page on Windows, so I will be getting the 64-bit installer here. I'm in Python 3.2.3, but it doesn't matter if you're on 3.0, there's not a huge difference between them. And if you're running on Mac, get one of these, or if you're running on Linux. So once you download that, you'll get an installer if you just want to run the installer. The installer will then install the Python files, and then once it's done, open up Python and you'll see this Python shell. So we're going to open a new file, because let's see what we can do in Python shell first, so I guess. So if I put print hello, it says hello. And if I was to go player equals 1, and say player equals player plus 1, type in player, gives us 2 now. We're assigned 1, then added 1. Type player gives us 2. But if we are to exit out of that, let's close Python down completely, exit out of that, and go player, nothing comes up because there's nothing saved for it. So let's make a basic program. We'll annotate it. No, we won't. We will use like single quotation marks. I don't know the proper name for them. So author Blaine. Oh God, I hate doing that. And then desk. Let's just type description. Hello world. And the print, you simply type in print. And it's brackets, open and close brackets. And it's quote speech marks, and then type whatever you want. So I'm just gonna type hello world exclamation mark. You can put anything within these brackets, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna save that on the desktop. We'll create a new folder called For Dummies, and then it's hello world.py. Always put .py, otherwise you're going to lose the color text from here. So if we just run this, we'll get hello world. If you want to take this a bit further, you can assign strings like H and W. Capital H and capital W, doesn't matter if it's capital or what. This is what I use. I put hello in there. I put world exclamation mark. Then just take everything out, even the speech marks. Put H, capital H, comma W. Press Ctrl S and then F5, and then you get hello world again. Because here you've assigned a string. You've assigned H to the word hello. So you've assigned a string, a word or sentence, whatever, and then you've done the same here. And then you're printing the strings within print. But if I was to go and just type hello world without the speech marks, invalid syntaxes. So that's what you need the speech marks for. So hello world. So that'll be for our first episode. See you next episode, where we will cover inputs and outputs. So see you then, guys.